Hey guys, it's Don with FROSTY Dip. Today we've got a 2022 Tundra 1794 edition in. We'll be doing a little bit of matching some chrome parts to the OEM paint, as well as blacking out some trim. So we're going to be matching all this chrome grille surround, as well as that centerpiece and front emblem, to the OEM pearl white, as well as some satin black on the grille and lower valence area. And also blacking out the door handles and the window trim. Also going to be matching this side lower door trim pieces to the OEM white. And then lastly, black as well on this rear hatch handle, emblems, and rear bumper corner pieces. Check out the process, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on all social media. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.